Tensions are skyrocketing in the Middle East right now. A missile debris death in Abu Dhabi and a fire at Kuwait Airport signal a dangerous escalation you must understand today. In a tragic development, an Indian national in Abu Dhabi lost their life after debris from a missile, which was intercepted, caused fatal injuries. This incident highlights the dangerous spillover effects of the ongoing conflict in the region. It underscores how civilians far from the front lines are still at severe risk. On March 25, 2026, drones targeted a fuel tank at Kuwait International Airport, igniting a fire. This attack on critical infrastructure in a Gulf state signals how the conflict is expanding its footprint. The impact on civil aviation and regional stability is concerning, with potential disruptions to travel and commerce. The United States recently commented that Iran may be reluctant to admit participation in peace negotiations, fearing political fallout. Iran publicly claims it has no intention to negotiate, complicating diplomatic efforts. This standoff reflects deep mistrust and the fragile nature of any potential resolution in the region. For real-time updates on this evolving situation, NDTV 24x7 offers continuous live streaming. Their coverage spans international politics, economy, sports, and more, keeping viewers informed on breaking headlines and developments as they happen. Watching live can help you stay ahead in understanding the crisis. NDTV remains a leading source for India's global news, covering a wide range of topics from politics and crime to technology and lifestyle. Their comprehensive approach ensures you get a full picture of how international events like the missile debris death affect Indian citizens abroad and the wider world. This escalating conflict in the Middle East is not just headline news. It could affect your travel, global markets, and geopolitical stability. Stay informed with trusted live coverage like NDTV 24x7. Hit subscribe now so you never miss a critical update that matters to you.